Hi, Matthew. How are you today? Okay, good. So what we are going to do is to finish assessment and name the weak mirror of the upper extremity, and it is assessment to assess your function like the range of motion or the synergy movement or the sensory integration. So the first one I'm going to do is to examine your reflex of your flexion and extension muscle. Okay. So the first, I'm going to examine the. So this is the unaffected side, the left side, and this is the affected side, the right side. So what I'm going to do first is to examine the unaffected side, the bicep reflex. And the tricep. And the unaffected side. Okay, good. And the next step we are going to do is I want you to follow what I was doing. Okay, you just need to follow. So first one, use your unaffected side, your left side, to touch the ear. Firstly, this ear, and then touch the offside knee. Yeah, good job. Do again. Yeah, good. And next, use your affected side hand. Do the same as this side hand. Could you do? Let's try. Okay, good job. And the next step is to do the offside one. The next step is firstly use your unaffected side arm to touch your offside knee and touch your ear. Okay, do again, please. Good job. And now use the affected side of hand. Do the same. What do you do? Okay, good job. Step I want you to do the same. So firstly, do with your unaffected side of arm, and I want you to reach behind and come back to your knee. Okay, good job. So do with your affected arm. Could you do? Okay, good. So the next step is reach out your arm as far as you can. Okay, good job. So the other side. Okay, good job. The next step, do ask me to bring your arm like this, and hand over, and turn back. Okay. The next side, the other side. Okay, good. The next step is reach out your arm to by side, to this way. Okay, good job. So I want you to do the same with another side of your upper extremity. Do you try? Okay, good. So the next step is I want you to reach your arm forward, front of me, and up this way, and reach out like this way. Okay, good. So another side. Okay, good. So the next step is to extend your arms straightly and hand over and turn over. Hand over and turn back. Okay, good job. Another side, could you try? Okay, good arm. So put your elbow like this, flex it, and try your best to flex your hand. Okay, so I'm going to give you some resistance, and don't let me to move it down. Okay, good job. Okay, good job. So the other side, could you do? Okay, good job. So the next step, I want you to extend your forearm. Okay, then flex your wrist. Okay, and I'm going to give you some resistance. Okay, good job. So the other side. Okay, so next step, the same as the extended arm position, and I want you to do some circular movement, circular rotation, like this. Yeah, good job. So the other side. Okay, good job. So the next step, I want you to put your elbow like this, and I want you to make a fist. Yeah, good job. So the other side. Okay, good. The same as this position, make a fist. I want you to extend your fingers like this. Yeah, good job. And the other side. Okay, so the next step, I want you to start at this position and just flex your these two fingers like this. Yeah, try as best as you can. And the other side. Next step I want you to do is just like this, grasp this like this. Okay, and I'm going to pull this away, and so don't let me to pull this away. Okay, so start with your unaffected. No, do this. No, like this. Your index 食指在上面，对 ，yeah. Okay, good. So this side, could you try? Okay. So the next side, I'm going to use a pen, and the same you do this. Grab the pencil like this, and I'm going to pull it away, and so don't let me to pull it away. Okay. Okay, good. So could you try by this side? Okay, good. So the next side is a cup. You need to grab the cup like this. Okay, yeah. Don't let me pull away. Don't let me pull away. Okay, good job. So could you do by this side? Okay, good job. Because we do not have the tennis ball, so we would like to use this to replace with the tennis ball. So you need to grab the tennis ball like this, and don't let me to pull it away. Okay, good, good, good. So this side, could you try? Okay, good job. So the next step I want you to do is firstly, you need to close your eyes and alternating between your nose and your knees. Touch your nose, touch your knees, touch your nose, touch your knees as far as you can. Okay. So firstly, start with your unaffected upper extremities. So okay, start as far as you can. Okay, good. So do the same as your affected upper extremities. Okay, good. So the next step is put your hand palmer over like this and on your knees. Yeah. And I'm gonna to touch you, and I will ask you if you feel that. Okay. So the same. Close your eyes. Okay. Did I touch you? Did I touch you? Did I touch you? Did I touch you? Okay, good. So the next step is about your passive range of motion. I'm going to move your shoulder joint and the elbow joint passively. So tell me if you feel painful. Okay, good. So firstly, with your shoulder joint, I'm going to start with the flexion. Painful. Okay. And the abduction. The abduction. Okay, and the internal rotation and external rotation. Okay, internal rotation up. Okay, so the next I'm going to test the affected upper extremities. And firstly, to stabilize the shoulder joint and do the flexion. Okay, so she can finish the whole passive range of motion and abduction. Okay, and the internal rotation and the external rotation. And the next elbow is the next joint is the elbow joint, the elbow flexion and extension, and the affected upper extremity. The step about your forearm. Supine, convention. Do you feel some limitations? No. Okay. The next step is about your wrist and hand. Extensions, flexions. Okay, good. Extension, flexion, and I'm going to do a grasp and distal finger flexion and grasp and distal finger flexion. Okay, good. Do you feel any limitation? Okay, good. So the next test is named the troll making test, and what you need to do is connect the numbers or the alternative between the numbers and the letters. I will give you some instructions and do the sample one, and what you need to do is do the same as me. Okay, if you make some mistakes, I will correct you. So about the part A is all the numbers. Okay, what you need to do is connect ascending the number 1 2 2 2 2 3 3 2 4 4 2 5 just as the number ascending. Okay, so what you need to do is about the all these numbers, and I'm gonna to timing the whole process. Okay, use your left side. Good job. Good job. And about the part B, it has both the numbers and the letters. So what you need to do is to connect the number first and alternating to the letters. So numbers between letters, okay? 1 to A, and A to 2, 2 to B, B to 3, okay? So try to do by yourself. Good job. Good job. No, the E next is the 6, okay? You right? Yeah. So I'm gonna to correct the errors she made and the time is not included. Good.